Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Real Zindagi. So here I am back with another video, weekly reading, okay, weekly pick a card reading. So in this week, from I guess 5th July to 11th July 2021, let us see what guidance, what message you have from your guardian angels, your higher self, your god goddesses. Okay, so without any further delay guys, let us get started. So these are your three options for this week. Okay, this is cupcake cover. Okay, so my sister is a baker. Okay, she loves baking. So this week I was drawn to pick up these cute, cupcake covers with these polka dots. Okay, this is purple one, this is blue, and this is red. Okay, so close your eyes and ask yourself, dear god, goddess, archangels, your higher self, whichever option, whichever pile you're drawn to, just go through it. Okay, for your reference, if you want some time, you can just pause the video and have a look. Okay, and just go via your intuition, sweethearts. Okay, so let us get started with pile 1. Hello pile 1, whoever has chosen this purple polka dot, cupcake cover. Okay, let us see how your coming week is going to be. Let us first start with the tarot cards. Okay, dear god, goddess, archangels, guardian angels of pile 1, please guide us with clarity that how the coming week is going to be for pile 1. How the coming week is going to be for pile 1. Let us see what other message. I'll first shuffle the cards, guys, okay, and then we will see it one by one, like together. Okay. Dear God, goddess, archangels, what message you have for pile 1? How the coming week is going to be? What message you have for them for the coming week ahead? This one. Archangels, guardian angels of pile 1. 2 cards came out, so I just took both of them. 2 cards, goddess, archangels, guardian angels of pile 1. That is from 5th July to 11th July. What blessings is coming your way for the coming week for pile 1? So let us see the first card. Okay, King of Wands. So the coming week ahead will be full of creativity, guys. Okay, in the coming week ahead, there will be some plannings going on. Okay, this is what I'm hearing. Okay, there will be it's like you will be planning some things. Okay, and I'm also hearing that not only planning, but you will also accomplish that thing. Okay, like putting it into actions. Okay, you will bring everything. Okay, see, it's like currently the things are apart. Okay, like something is here, like something is here. It's like you have the proper plan, but it's not been collaborated. It's not वो साथ में नहीं आया है. ठीक है. So you will bring things together, okay, in the coming week ahead. This is what I'm getting, okay. And I'm also getting that for some, okay, there is a person in your life, okay, a male, okay, might be female also, but majoritarily it's male, okay. So that person is gonna guide you, okay, to enhance your qualities, to enhance your career, okay. So listen to that guidance and don't ignore, okay. 10 of Cups, I just love this card. Okay, so 10 of Cups. Okay, so in the coming week ahead, family is going to be of importance, guys. Okay, so there will be some kind of celebration, okay. There will be lots of, togetherness. I told you, right? Togetherness. I'm getting that thing very strongly. Togetherness, bond, strong, a connection, you can say partnership. Okay, for some partnership would take place in some kind, marriages, okay. For some, you might get some proposal for marriage, or and for some will also concentrate on the family planning, okay, like for kids and all, okay, like you might try out to have your own kids and all that, okay. So let us see the last card, the Star. Wow, guys, you're gonna have a lovely week ahead. Let me tell you that first, okay. So there is lots of healing going on, okay. So it's a major arcana, okay. So end of the week there will be lots of healing that will be available to you, okay. See, it's so beautiful cards. At the beginning it's King of Wands, like you will bring everything together, you will leave the thing, you will put all the unfinished work, you will finish them, okay, and you will bring things into action, okay, and you will show your leadership quality as your creativity will be full-time high in the coming week ahead. So it's like a lot of fire energy, okay. It's like you will not take a rest, okay. I'm just feeling that that in the coming week there is no rest, okay, like especially at the beginning of the week, okay. You're gonna work constantly, you will check all your leaves, that like to do work list, okay. You'll go through all of them, you will prepare everything, okay, and you will focus on your career, okay. And in the mid of the week I'm getting lots of family energy, okay. There will be there are possibilities of everyone joining via a YouTube, I'm sorry, not YouTube, but a video call, okay. There might be chances that you all, your cousins, your family, okay, your family is getting together via some calls or some kind of communication, okay. And then lots of healing would be available, guys. You would be practice healing, okay. And not only just energy healing, okay, not only just energy healing, but it's like I'm getting that in the weekend you people are going to pamper yourself, you people are going to think about yourself, okay. It's like you people are making a decision, no, okay, whatever happened was past, but now I have to take care of myself. Yes, family is my priority, but you will it's like you will be balancing, you will balance your family time and you will also balance your self time, okay. That is self-care time, okay. So the overall week is really, really beautiful, guys. Let us see what other message you had. Meditation brings answers, definitely, okay. So in the coming week, okay, so you guys have to do meditation, okay, sweethearts, because here you are doing so many work, okay. I'm just hearing multitasking, okay. I'm just hearing multitasking. You're gonna be busy with so many work and you're gonna do मतलब continuously कुछ ना कुछ काम करोगे तुम, okay, like बैठना नहीं है तुम्हें, okay, that thing. Okay, so angels are telling you that hey, meditate, okay. See, as if healing ka bhi card aaya hai, okay, and even meditation brings healing to you, okay. So start meditating, guys, because see, for some I'm just hearing that you have been planning since a very long time, to do meditation, okay. You have been thinking that this should be a part of my workout, okay, but it's like you're procrastinating it and you're not practicing meditation, okay. So it is very important. See, bolte na, you do workout for your body, okay, but you should meditate for your mind, okay, so that your mind would be in peace and it should be more calmer, okay. So practice meditate, start doing meditation, guys. Okay, ask your angels. Okay, so okay. So angels are telling you guys, ask them. Okay, there might be some situation, like in the near past. Okay, I'm feeling that near past. Okay, that there are things that was going on. You are kind of bit confused regarding that thing, like why this has happened to me and why this person is behaved in certain manner. Okay, so that dilemma is going in your head and all that. But angels want to tell you that, hey, relax, it's okay. You can ask us whatever is going on in your head. You can share with us, you can ask us, ask for help. Okay, see, angels, no one can help you. Not even God, Goddess will help you unless and until you ask for help. Okay, it is the universal law of free will. Okay, so you ask them for help, they will definitely help you. Okay, but ask for help. Okay, let me see one by one. Council of Light, Divine. Guys, you are very spiritual. You guys are very spiritual. Okay, it's like, see, you guys also practice Reiki healing or some kind of candle healing. I'm seeing certain rituals. Okay, you practice certain rituals. Okay, and angels are telling you that continue those rituals. Okay, don't stop. No matter what negativity, no matter what situation or what kind of people is around you, don't stop the rituals that you are doing right now. Okay, so continue them. Yeah, so with this card, guys, I'm getting that you have a very strong spiritual team. Okay, it's like your God, Goddess, archangels, your spirit guides. You have a bunch of angels with you, working out for you and constantly being there, guiding you. Okay, that's why ask your angels. Okay, it's like you're never alone, never ever alone. So no matter what your situation is, never think that you're alone. As you guys are so spiritual, don't even have that thought for a single second, even a second, a fraction of second. Okay, that you people are alone or things like that. You are never alone. You always have your team by your side. Okay, Lemuria, creating heaven on earth, it's happening. Okay, so see this card, guys, I'm really feeling some good news for in case of family. Okay, there will be some important decisions that you might make regarding family, or else I'm also feeling that somewhere you are kind of making plans for having a baby. Okay, so that is what I'm getting. So angels are telling that, hey, that will happen. Okay, things will come. Okay, it would happen. Okay, it would happen soon. Okay, I'm hearing that word soon. Okay, Goddess Green Tara, start delegating. Ask others, including me, to help you. See, you got another ask. Oh God, even this is a card ask your angels, ask for help, delegate your work. As I told you with this card, you are going to be completely occupied with works. Okay, instead of trying to do everything for yourself, on your own. So Goddess Green Tara is telling you that delegate your work, guys. Okay, it's not necessary that you should do everything on your own. See, it's like the messages are so connected, guys. Even here you got the council. Even here I told you that your whole team is with you. You are not alone. Okay, so you need not do all the work by your own. Delegate your work. Okay, ask angels for help. Okay, for example, if you are not getting any for example, I would tell you, you are a YouTube, you have your channel, okay, on YouTube, and you create contents and all that, but from quite some time you're not getting some ideas, okay, some contents. Okay, so angels are telling you that ask them. They are there for you. They are there to help you. Okay, that's the confirmation they gave with this card. Okay, so ask for help, ask them to give you the ideas, and when you will meditate you will get those ideas and those messages that they want to give you. Okay, it's like you will easily understand them. Okay, Maybe cycle and rhythms. Honor the cycle of your body, energy levels, and emotions. Okay, so even with the 10 of cups, it is the cards of emotion, family, family. Okay, so guys, take care of your emotions also, heal your emotions as well. Okay, so it's like you're working really very hard, to bring your dreams into reality. Okay, but angels are telling you that at the same time, make sure that you take care of your health. Okay, don't ignore your mental health. Okay, that is what things are highlighting, like your mental health. Okay, so heal yourself, sweethearts. Okay, and I know you are spiritual, guys, you are spiritual. Okay, this pile is a spiritual team. Okay, face your fears, release the power of fear. I'm feeling that some of you guys are kind of having some kind of nightmare. Okay, so angels are telling you that nightmare is just because of your fear. Okay, that nightmare does not mean anything. Okay, there is no message in that. Okay, the only thing is that because of your fear, you are having that kind of nightmare. Okay, so angels are telling you that, hey, be brave, you are that brave. Okay, heal yourself, sweethearts. Okay, so be brave. Okay, you should face the fears. See, that fear will never go unless and until you will face it. Okay, you cannot run from the fear every time, all the time. Okay, you have to face those fears of yours. Okay, money, wow, find a way to abundance. So with this card, angels are telling you that abundance is available to you. Okay, so they are telling you that there will be lots of opportunities coming. There will be lots of opportunities coming your way. Okay, regards to finances. Okay, so angels are telling you that take that opportunity. Okay, don't ignore or don't procrastinate things like that. Okay, I'm seeing some might receive some kind of amount. Okay, like unexpected amount. Okay, something unexpected amount. Okay, like you didn't thought that I will receive this client, you didn't thought that I will get this amount, so like jaldi mil jayega paise, things like that. So I'm feeling that some of you will receive some kind of money in the coming week. Okay, and unexpectedly. Okay, so that is a blessing that you are receiving, sweethearts. Okay, so I'm also feeling that you have a strong will to have abundance. Okay, it's not just regarding finances, but you guys are abundance. Okay, no matter what you do, आप अपनी पूरी energy लगा देते हो उसमें. So so your overall energy is like really sweet and really cute. Okay, I would say, but angels are just telling you that take their help. Okay, ask for help. Okay, whenever you ask help, things get more easy. Okay, but ask to a trustworthy person. Okay, and angels are the best one, let me tell you that. Okay, so goodbye, sweethearts, have a lovely week ahead, and thank you so much for showering so much of love on my page, and I will keep spreading the positivity. Okay, and keep loving all of you. Thank you so much, have a great week ahead. Goodbye. Hello, pile 2, whoever has chosen this cute blue cupcake cover. Let us see how your coming week is going to be. Okay, I would like to say that, guys, thank you so much for supporting me, and let us get started. Okay, yeah. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, guardian angels of Pile 2, how the coming week is going to be. Please guide us with clarity. That is from 5th July to 11th July. Please guide us. Okay, I guess there are two. Let's take this. Why too? Angels are very excited for you. I'm feeling that this pile, like not everyone, but I would say few, like you guys don't pray regularly, okay, but you have that intuitive powers, and there is a connection between you and the universe. Okay, it's like, see, you are not someone who will believe in all of this. Okay, you are kind of more practical person. Okay, but you have that faith and that discipline and that that spiritual side of yours which you don't reveal much. Okay, this is what I'm getting for few of you guys. Okay, dear God, Goddess, which Goddess energy is with pile 2 and what message they want to give for the coming week ahead. Okay, let's do this. Let us see how your week is going to be. Wow, Wheel of Fortune. Okay, guys, so the coming week is there will be a movement. Okay, first of all, I'm hearing that there will be a movement. Okay, see, it's like you for quite some time you are being really struggling. Okay, it's like the time was testing your patience. Okay, I'm just hearing that. Okay, and in that period, okay, you have kept your karmas clear. Okay, you have understood the life lesson that the universe wanted to teach you. Okay, and the angels are telling you that because of that thing that you have maintained, you have gained the patience you had. Okay, like so it's like now the fortune is standing by your side. Okay, yeah, I'm getting that that what good deeds, I'm just hearing this, guys. Okay, what good deeds that you have done, the patience, the lessons that you have learned in the past few couple of days or weeks. Okay, like months as well. Okay, so this is the time where you will get it back. Okay, so this week is going to be kind of the Lovers, 2 major arcana cards. Let me just, wow, 8 of Cups. Okay, guys, I told you this pile is not that spiritual. Okay, like you don't show up your spiritual side to everyone. Okay, with this card also it's like you are moving towards a better time, guys. Okay, so there have been situation where your patience has been tested. This is very clear to me. Okay, there have been times where your patience has been tested. So right now angels are kind to tell you that, hey, you have learned your life lessons. Okay, so now you have to just move on. Okay, whatever things had been, let it be. Now it's like it's like you have a nil, like your karmas has been balanced, and you have to create new karmas and new life. Okay, this is what I'm getting, guys. Okay, so focus on what good is happening to you. Okay, and I'm just feeling that the Wheel of Fortune is on your favor. Okay, your luck will be on your favor. Sorry, or not on, like your luck will be in your favor. Okay, so yeah, and the Lovers card. Okay, so there will be some options, I would say choices you have to make in the coming week. Okay, there will be some important decision that you would be, like you would have to make. Okay, so angels are guiding you in that. Okay, and that decisions will lead you to a better time. Okay, those decisions that you will make will lead you to your spiritual growth, your healing. Okay, to a better time. Okay, that is what I'm hearing, better times. Okay, so with this tool, the lovers card, I'm also getting for some, your relationship is healing, guys. Okay, it's even your relationship has gone through some kind of trauma, or some kind of difficulties. Okay, so angels are telling you that that they are healing. Okay, they are healing your relationship, and there is healing going on. Okay, lots of healing going on in your relationship. Okay, yeah. And yeah, that's it, guys. And emotional healing is also important, guys. Okay, so seek for a professional who would heal you. Okay, take some healing. Okay, take some kind of healing. That is what I'm getting, especially emotional healing. Okay, because I'm getting that very strongly, emotional healing. Okay, so you at the end of the week, guys, you will do something that will help your soul to get more calmer, and you'll do things that will enhance your spirituality. Okay, and you will do things that will keep you happy. Okay, that will help you to move towards a better time. Okay, it's up to you. With the lovers card, it is so obvious. Okay, and with the wheel of fortune also. See, wheel of fortune represents no matter what karma you do, that you will if you do good, you will get good. If you do bad, you will get back. You will get bad. Okay, so it's like that. So even now with this card, I'm getting that it's up to you. Okay, so this decision, okay, no matter what decision you make, the choice is yours. You will be solely responsible for that decision that you make. Okay, there is no other way that you point out on others and say, because of this person I took this decision. No. Okay, no. You are solely responsible for your own decisions and choices that you make in your own life. Okay, so make it wisely, sweethearts. Okay, and you will do it. Okay, that is what I'm getting. You will do it. Okay, if you believe. Oh my God, if it's up to you. If you believe, I always resonate this card. I always felt that these two cards are very strongly connected. Okay, see, with this card, guys, I'm getting that angels are telling you that see, whenever this card comes up, if you believe, I always give this advice. Okay, advice, or I always say this sentence. Okay, that you can change your life. I tell to everyone. Okay, whoever requires. But whenever this card comes, I always say this: you are the co-creator of your life. Okay, even the lines that you have, okay, even they change with 40 days or things like that. Okay, so change your life via your karmas, via your thoughts, via your choices, via your movements, via actions that you take in your life. Okay, see, this is karma, this is your choices, this is your actions. Okay, this is what I'm resonating things to. Okay, so in the coming week, you will take off your you will take care of your karmas. You will take care of your choices that you make, and you will make sure that you take appropriate actions to have a peaceful life. Okay, let us see other messages. The ever unfolding rose cracked open. It's happening for you, not to you. Okay, so the situations, okay, see, angels are making you, I'm really feeling that, guys, this pile has faced really some kind of trauma or disappointment in the near past. Okay, so angels are telling you that, hey, you need not worry. Okay, that situation was a phrase. Okay, it was just it was just a phase. Okay, so it's just gone. Okay, it was happening. It was your situation, your circumstance, that it didn't happen to you. Okay, it happened around you. Okay, so angels are telling you that, hey, just overcome that. Okay, and you see, I'm getting that you will overcome. Okay, because you have that strong support. Okay, this is the assurance. Okay, keepers of earth, you are not alone, and ancient ancestors stand by you. So okay, I'm just hearing this, guys. Okay, that for some of you have lost your mom, or some like mother figure. Okay, you have lost your mother figure, or your mother, like someone of your mother figure. Okay, so that lady, okay, that feminine soul is kind of sending you love, sending you the support that you require. Okay, and you also have a strong ancestral support, guys. Okay, you have see, I'm really feeling that, guys, this pile, I'm telling this again actually, okay? This pile is spiritual, but you don't show off that you're spiritual. Okay? Okay, Coventina, purification. It is time for cleaning, detoxifications of your body and mind. Okay, guys, so in the coming week ahead, you need to take proper care of your diet. Okay, you will take very proper care of your diet. You will have like whatever proper amount of water that is required to your body. Keep your body hydrated, and detoxify. Drink a lot of water, and perform some rituals that will heal your mind, body, as well as your soul. Okay, so sage. Okay, quiet time. Take some quiet time alone to rest, meditate, and contemplate. Okay, guys. So, you know what, guys? Okay, this pile is something. This pile is something. Okay, guys. So, you know what? You need to take care of yourself in the coming week. Okay, nothing to worry. Okay, there is nothing to worry. But you people are, मतलब सबकी सुनोगे but करोगे अपनी. ठीक है? This is what this pile does. You will listen to everyone, but you will only do what your heart says. Okay, what you have been guided to do, like via your own self. Okay, your higher self. ठीक है? So it's like angels वही बोल रहे हैं ना that अपने लिए भी time निकालो. Like do some meditations and healing practice करो, guys. Okay, practice some kind of. मैंने starting में ही बोला था कि look for some professional healers. Okay, and heal yourself. Okay. So, your week is gonna be really, really interesting. Okay, new beginning. No doubt. New beginning. Begin your new life. So colorful. Okay, guys. So, angels are trying to tell you not just this week, okay, but this phase of your life is a new beginning to you. Okay, so make sure that you keep your karmas on check, make proper decisions and take appropriate actions. Okay, and always believe that you are your co-creators of your own life. Okay, so no matter what your fate is, no matter what your destiny is, at any point of time you can change it if you make a decision, a strong decision. Okay, so it is completely up to you. Okay, self-reliance. Oh my god, all these 3 cards. Okay, it's up to you. Believe in yourself, self-reliance. Okay, all these cards are giving you the same message. Okay, don't be afraid to fly solo. Okay, so guys, you are this pile. You guys are, you guys are someone, like you won't be dependent on someone. Okay, you like to do things on your own. Okay, you take everyone's advice, but you will only do what your heart and what your mind says. Okay, you will not walk on someone else's path. You will make your own path and you will go through it. Okay, and you will prove it. Okay, not for the society but for yourself. Okay, this is very clear, guys. Like I'm getting that energy very strongly. Okay, so yeah, Your week is going to be really really interesting, guys, trust me. And बहुत important भी रहेगा. Okay, the coming week is going to be really really important for you. Okay, so all the best sweethearts. Okay, give your best, do your best, do whatever you feel like, do whatever you are being guided via your intuitions. Okay, so all the best sweethearts. Okay, have a lovely and amazing week ahead. Okay, so thank you so much for showering so much of love, and see you soon. Goodbye. Hello pile 3. So whoever has chosen this red, I don't know whether आपको red दिख रहा है या pink दिख रहा है. Okay, see whatever you feel like, Anako. Okay, because actually it is red, but when I'm seeing in camera, I'm kind of seeing it pinkish. Okay, so red or pink, it's up to you. Okay, so whoever has chosen this red, like, you know, cupcake cover, it is so cute. Let us see how your coming week is going to be. That is from 5th July to 11th July. चलो देखते हैं. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, dear God, Goddess, Archangels, Guardian Angels of Pile 3, what message you have for Pile 3? How the coming week is going to be? That is from 5th July. We move on to 11th July. Okay, we already have 2 cards. They just jumped out like anything. I just got scared for once, but we are safe. Okay, so let us see what further message you have from your angels for the coming week ahead. So let us see how your coming week is going to be. Okay. 2 of Cups. Okay. So for this pile, you know, there will be some kind of collaboration going on. Okay, like some kind of partnership might take place. Okay, in certain business. Okay, and for if you are in a committed relationship, okay, you might get some, like, you might decide to get married to each other. Okay, and for some you might receive a proposal for marriage. Okay, it's like a new beginning for some kind of bondage, some kind of relationship. Okay, see, the relationship can be in like a partnership, or, you know, collaboration of some firms, or you know, just 2 people getting together. Okay, Marriage is what I'm hearing. Wow, it's strength card. Okay, so in the coming week ahead, guys, you are gonna work upon your strengths. Okay, you are, as like, there will be a new beginning also for you guys. This is what I'm hearing. Okay, a new beginning. And see, there was some kind of temptation. Okay, but you have made a decision that no matter what, I will make things happen for me. Okay, and see, there is a divine connection. Okay, so here also there is Archangel Raphael, and here also, there is a divine connection. The this sign. Okay, I'm just not getting कि उसको क्या बोलते हैं, never ending या infinite sign. Okay, so use law of attraction, guys. Okay, I'm getting that message strongly for you guys. Use law of attraction. Okay, no matter what you want in your life, use law of attraction. It does works. Okay, so Page of Cups. Okay, so with for you guys, I'm just feeling that a younger person, okay, would be of importance to you in the coming week ahead. Okay, it's like this person might help you, okay, to or else there might be some person or one of your friends, okay, जिसके through वो रिश्ता आएगा, proposal. Okay, or there will be a person in your life, a younger one or of someone of your own age would help you, okay, in the weekend. Okay, like when I'm just feeling that happy energy, okay, that collaboration, that I'm seeing marriage happening for some guys. Okay, I don't know whether in this pandemic, okay, like it is happening. Okay, marriages are happening, so you might get an interview. Oh god, I'm so sorry. You you might get, for some you might also get some kind of offer for some interview. Okay, good interview. Okay, so let us move further. Like some might receive invitation for marriage. Okay, or else there will be some kind of planning of marriage that is going on in your family. Okay, or else in your family. Okay, so your overall week is going to be full of emotions. Okay, like emotions would be of greater importance, and I'm also getting that you will have that you will realize the strength of your emotions. Okay, मतलब अपने strengths को पहचानोगे तो in the coming week ahead. Okay, very good, pile 2, pile 3, very good. Okay, I can see the improvements, and like you are on a right track. Okay, let me tell you that you are on a right track. Okay, let's see. You are ready. Okay, so you are ready for the collaboration. You are ready to get married. Oh god, I'm getting that marriage word very strongly, guys. Okay, I don't know for whom this message is, but it's like you're ready for marriage. Okay, don't procrastinate yourself. Know your strengths. Okay, love yourself, and some good proposals will come in the coming week ahead. Okay, so go through it, don't ignore it. Okay, meditation brings answers. Even pile 1 got this card, I guess. Okay, so angels are telling you that hey, start meditating, because when you start meditating, things would be more clear to you. Okay, the emotions, okay, there are so much of emotions included in the coming week ahead, so to balance those emotions, angels are telling you that doing meditation would be of great help. Okay guys, so start meditating and see what good changes that meditation brings in your life. Okay, boundaries. Where do you need to establish better boundaries? Ask yourself. Okay, see, with the strength card, okay, I'm getting that there are people around you who are kind of misleading you, or kind of thinking against you. Okay, like not for your good, not for your highest good. Okay, for their selfish motive and things like that. Okay, so angels are telling you that from such kind of people, make sure you create that boundary. Okay, you make things clear to such people that hey, don't go beyond your limit. Okay, just be where you are. Okay, this is the line. You cannot cross this line. I'm not comfortable if you cross this line. And let's straightforward tell it. Okay, don't be afraid of anything. Okay, just make sure you create your boundaries. Okay, star mother, how can you mother yourself? Okay guys, so you know what, in the coming week ahead, I'm getting that you guys should take care of yourself. Okay, there are people around you who will kind of bully you or kind of take disadvantage of your innocence, of your qualities. Okay, good qualities that you have. Okay, so angels are telling you that, hey, you know, don't focus on that. Maintain that boundaries with such kind of people. Maintain distance, and also make sure that you love yourself enough. Okay, do certain things that I'm hearing for you guys. Being self love is not being selfish. Okay, so always make sure that you love yourself, you take care of yourself. Okay, Goddess Aphrodite, I just love her. Inner goddess. Awaken the goddess within you through dance, self-care. I told you, self-care and appreciating your divinity. So even Goddess Aphrodite, even Mother Mary was telling you the same thing, guys. Aphrodite is telling you that, hey, take care of yourself, guys. Okay, because you know what, guys, I'm just seeing here, the emotions are there will be a high tide of emotions in the coming week ahead. Okay, a very high tide of a huge bulk of emotions, bunch of emotions, क्या ही बोलूँ मैं emotions को लेके. Okay, so बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी होंगी ना जो emotions के connected होंगी. Okay, so angels ये बोल रहे हैं ना, do meditate so that you will be able to balance it and maintain that proper boundaries from people so that they cannot make any kind of they should not misuse any kind of your emotions, your personalities, your talents, or anything. Okay, anything. And with both this card, okay, even Goddess Aphrodite is telling you the same thing. Take care of yourself, nurture yourself. Okay, realize that you are beautiful in and out. You are beautiful in and out. Okay, or you are handsome in and out. Okay, so take care of yourself, guys. Do certain go to parlor, have some kind of makeover. Okay, and just love yourself. Okay, love yourself. Wow. Goddess Kali, ending and beginning. The old must be released so that the new can enter. Okay, with this, guys, okay, I'm just hearing this, okay, for some, not for everyone. Okay, in past you have been in toxic relationship. Okay, for that thing you are kind of afraid to move into a new relationship, or you kind of confused in some kind of relationship. Okay, so Ma Kali is also assuring you that if something is not serving you for your highest good, that is going to an end. Okay, that will come to an end and a new beginning is coming to you. With the Two of Cups, see, there will be new proposals coming to you. Okay, don't ignore them. Look that go through those proposals. Okay, and listen to your intuitions. Okay, let us see what blessings. Legends. Learn from those who inspire you. Wow. See, guys, okay, be in the energy of positivity. Okay, this is what I'm getting for you. Be in the energy of positivity. See, with this card, there will be some kind of people who will, and with the Strength card, guys, I'm getting that, you will deal it in a very better manner. See the way it's lion and she's just handling it as if she's handling a cat. Okay, so guys, you guys will you will handle such kind of people with ease. Okay, and angels also telling you that inspire with the people who inspire you. Okay, truly inspire you, not for just kind of social media sake or things like that, but in your real life, to live a better life, to be a good person in your life. Okay, if there is such kind of people who inspire you for your better life, take their help. Okay, look up to them, ask them. Okay, take their support. New beginning. I guess somewhere you got new beginning. See, and it's like you're ready for the new beginning. You also got the card. You are ready. Wow, guys. New beginning. See, begin your new life. So very clearly for some guys, there is proposal coming your way, there is marriage happening, there is some collaboration happening, and that will lead to much better way, like a new beginning. That will be a new beginning in your life. Okay, so like it's your coming week is going to be really awesome, guys. Okay, like really awesome. Okay, so wow. Like really wow. Okay, so all the best, sweethearts, for your coming week ahead. Okay, so I'm just getting marriage. Okay, if you guys are planning out for marriage, okay, you might receive a good proposal in the coming week ahead. Okay, and there is a good friend, okay, who will advise you for your best. Listen to those advices. Okay, and not for everyone. Okay, these or not all your friends are good. Okay, not all your friends think for your highest good. Okay, so it's like you have realized who are your strengths, you have realized that who are your good people. Okay, who are those people who think for your highest good. Okay, so you are already aware of that. Okay, that is what I'm getting. Okay, so you are going to be really awesome. Okay, so yeah, let see you soon, guys. Okay, thank you so much for constantly supporting me. Thank you for constantly supporting me, my channel, and with lots of love, guys. Thank you. I can't thank enough. Okay, so yeah, goodbye, see you soon. Have a lovely, awesome, amazing week ahead, sweethearts. Okay, so signing off, sweethearts. Goodbye.